With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, here question is given using Le Chatelier principle. Le Chatelier principle predict the effect of first term is given decreasing the temperature and second term is increasing the pressure on which of the following equilibrium. Okay, according to the concept we know that according to Le Chatelier principle, when reaction is exothermic, when reaction or equilibrium is exothermic and we decrease temperature then reaction will move forward direction, then equilibrium or reaction will move forward direction and if reaction is endothermic or if reaction is endothermic and reaction is endothermic and we decrease temperature then reaction will move backward direction, backward direction. Okay, and the second term is given in increasing pressure on each of the following equilibrium. When we increase pressure then reaction will move those directions where number of gaseous moles are less, then reaction will move those direction where number of gaseous moles are less, Okay, this is according to the concept. A is the exothermic reaction. This is exothermic reaction because heat is generated in the product side. This is the exothermic reaction and we decrease the temperature, then reaction will move forward direction, forward direction. Okay, this reaction a reaction N2 plus 3H2 gives out 2 NH3 plus heat. This is exothermic reaction and we decrease temperature, then reaction will move forward direction, and B reaction is also a exothermic reaction, so with decreased temperature then reaction will move forward direction. Okay, and C reaction is the endothermic reaction. In the endothermic reaction, we decrease the temperature, then reaction will move backward direction. Okay, and D reaction is also exothermic reaction. thermic reaction. Here heat is generated. Okay, product side heat is generated. So this, and we decrease temperature, then reaction will move forward direction. Forward direction. Okay, and according to the pressure, and we increase the pressure, then reaction will move those direction where number of gases moles are less. In this in the reaction first, here N2 plus 3H2 gives out to NH3, and number of moles of products is 2 and number of moles of total moles of reactants is 4. Here in the product side number of moles are less, so reaction will move forward direction. Okay, according to the pressure, reaction will move forward direction. This is also a forward direction reaction. Okay, and B reaction. In the B reaction, reactant side there are 2 moles, 1 moles N2 and 1 moles O2, and also here product side this is also 2 moles. So we increase the pressure. When we increase the pressure, pressure, there is no change. So here in the second reaction, in the B reaction, N2 plus O2, both are the gas, gives out 2NO. Number of moles or reactant and products are same. So when we increase pressure, there is no effect. Okay, because a number of moles of reactants and products are same. Okay, and the C reaction, here in the C reactions, reaction C is given H2 gas gives out H2 plus half O2 gas. Okay, in the reactant side, here term is given reactant side 1 moles of gas, and in the product side there are 3/2 moles of product is given. Okay, so here term is given in the C group, here H2O gas gives out H2 gas plus half O2 gas. Okay, and we increase pressure, then reaction will move backward direction. When we increase pressure, Okay, in the D reaction, in the last reaction, 2CO plus O2 gives out 2CO2 plus heat. In the reactant side there are 3 moles. In the reactant side, 2CO plus O2 gas, both are the gas, gives out 2CO2 gas. In the product side there are 2 moles and the reactant side there are 3 moles. So we increase the pressure, reaction will move forward direction. When we increase pressure, Okay, this is the reaction, and A reaction is gives forward direction, here in the forward direction. Okay, thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.